On March 12, 2018, Dr. Avi Loeb of Harvard came to Georgia Tech to speak on life in the universe. The overarching question he posed was, are we alone? It was once believed that we as Earthlings were the center of the universe. This idea was proliferated by the Catholic Church because it helped to spread their teachings. Now that we know more about the universe, we have realized that we are in fact not the center of even our own solar system. There are many factors that make Earth a rare find as a habitable planet. These include a stable planetary orbit, the right mass ratio to the Sun, the right distance from the Sun, and so forth. The Kepler satellite has found many planets in the Kepler habitable zone. Planets in this zone have approximately the right surface temperature to enable liquid water to exist. The mass ratio to the Sun affects the planet's ability to hold an atmosphere. This is an important qualifier because planets with potential for life must be able to hold onto their liquid water. As Dr. Loeb put it, the Earth is by no means special. Using these simplified criteria, it is easy to see that life may exist in another planet.